I'm mounting drawer handles on the vanity. The idea is you drill a hole through the front of the vanity drawer, and then you just poke the screw through and you mount the handle. Well, each handle comes with 2 screws. Well, 4 screws actually. You have 2 long ones and 2 short ones. Well, because the drawer has an inset in it, the long screws are just a little too long, and because it has the drawer front and then the panel on the front, the short screws are too short. So what do? Well, I have a little tool here. There's actually a wire stripper, and it's not a real high dollar tool. It's a one of those combination wire stripper crimpers, but it also has this little thing where you can cut bolts, and they're real handy because I take this screw, which is an 832, and I can thread it in to the hole. And in this case, just flush with the other side is the right length. And I take my hand, if I can do this one-handed. Yep. Manage that one. And I cut the screw off, and as you extract it from the tool, it chases the threads. Leaves a nice clean end on it that will start. At least it's supposed to. Yep. Threads right in there. So I don't remember where I got these. I've had them a long time. I think they belonged to Dad. And we use them to strip wire and crimp connectors, and these are for non-insulated connectors. There's a different type of crimper for insulated connectors. If you try this on an insulated connector, it strips the insulation off. But these little holes here are what we're talking about today. You can trim off a 440 screw, a 632, an 832, 1024, and a 1032. Those just happen to be the most common sizes that you're going to run into mounting outlets and working on electrical equipment in a standard house. So this is a nice tool for an electrician, but man, you can buy these at the flea markets and all over the place. You want to get a good one, because if you get a crappy one, the tool steel is too soft and you'll just smear the bolts over. If you get a good solid one, it's got a nice rivet on it, it will trim off bolts without any trouble at all. So that's well worth the time and effort spent finding one, because it'll save you trouble in the long run.